Hello. Often we have a problem with our favorite grill pan. Time to time it gets like a dirty, and the problem is the steak going to be not so delicious like it's supposed to. So now we show you how to resolve this issue. To resolve this issue, we're going to use metal brush like this one. So you can buy this set wherever in Walmart, Home Depot, and also you can use any drill like a cordless drill, whatever. I will show you how to fix this problem. So we're almost ready. So remember, use your personal protective equipment like glasses and gloves. Let's start. It's absolutely not necessary to do it from the bottom side, but we do it in case. Okay, now I think we got perfect result. It looks like brand new. Now this
Fast iron.
grill pan ready for perfect steak.